Hello guys, welcome to YouTube Learn and Earn program. And since many of you have not joined yet, so let's wait for 30 seconds and let's other join. Meanwhile, what you can do, you can arrange for a book or a pen so that you can, if you love to take notes, you can take notes. So let's wait for 30 seconds and then we will, we'll start the session. I believe all you guys are working from home itself. I'm from Mumbai, so I'm in Mumbai. It's a lockdown, and yeah, I'm working too from home, so you might hear some background noise. So as I'm working from home, many people have joined. So guys, I think we should start. Okay, so again, welcome to YouTube Learn and Earn program. So So who am I? So guys, my name is Tanzil Malik, and I'm an MBA graduate, and I am working as a senior business analyst in one of the IT MNC from last 5.5 years. From last 6 years, I'm working as a digital marketing from my home business, which is owned by my brother. Also, I own some YouTube channel which I have you know. Made over a past couple of years, and I have learned a lot through these YouTube channels. I have invested a lot of time and money as well to learn things how you can quickly grow your YouTube channel, as well as quickly you can monetize your YouTube channel. So what is the objective of today's webinar is simple. You have to learn how to make a YouTube channel, you have to implement the strategies, and you have to start earning from it. Okay, so but one thing you should keep in mind, nothing comes very quickly. So you have to be little patience when you are dealing with YouTube is a very good platform. It's give you very good earning, but on YouTube you should be consistent, and you should have faith in yourself while you are trying to make a YouTube channel. Initially when you make a YouTube channel, it will not happen that from starting only you will start getting lakhs of views, but I will tell you how you can move towards that your aim. Okay, so what next is what is the requirement to start a YouTube channel? What are the prerequisites? So you should have a Gmail account, you should have a logo and a YouTube channel art. It is not mandatory to make a YouTube channel, but it is always a good practice to have a logo and a YouTube channel art. So treat YouTube as your shop. So you are designing a shop, and plus your video, treat your videos as your product. So the more good you design your shop, the more customer will visit your shop, and they will look for the product, that is your videos. Next is mobile or DSLR. If you have a DSLR, it's good. If not, then I will not suggest to invest in DSLR at very beginning of your YouTube channel career. Mobile will do. I'll teach you how you can capture a good video like DSLR from mobile. Sorry. Then internet is compulsory. Tripod, if you have, it's good. Video editing software, there are it's a mandatory. So either you can edit the complete video on mobile. I'll share the software name which you can download on your Android mobile phone, and if you have a desktop or a laptop, you can edit the videos on desktop application also. I will share the name. Next, it's a good practice if you have a microphones, but if you are starting a new channel, if you do not have a money to invest initially, then you can avoid it. Then lights is optional. If you have it, it's good. Otherwise you can shoot it in daylight. So what is the thing that we are going to learn in this particular session? That is how to make a YouTube channel, how to optimize YouTube channel account and verify the same. Verification is very important, because once you verify, you will enable certain feature of YouTube. How to find out trending topics, how to make videos, how to edit videos, how to upload videos and optimize for more views. How to monetize YouTube channel quickly. Most of the people are are very interested about, very keen about this particular session, how to monetize YouTube channel quickly. Earlier it has happened that when you upload a video, then it's probably at the same time it get monetized. But now YouTube has certain policies for monetizing the channel that I will share with you. When we will make a channel, we will go through the policies and what are the criteria to get the channel monetized. Okay. Next is what are the some mistakes that every YouTuber do. Okay, so when I started the YouTube channel, I have made certain mistakes and I have learned from it. So I'll share the mistakes to avoid so that it will not hurt you in the future. And we will learn about how to promote your videos for free, how to promote your videos with paid advertisement, and what are some best free tools for YouTube. So I will discuss each of these what do you call it tools. Okay, so going ahead, let's begin. So it's very important now to understand how to make a YouTube channel. So to make a YouTube channel, first you need to go to youtube.com. It's very simple. Okay, you might be accessing YouTube. So if you have an account on YouTube, then it's okay. If you do not have an account, you just have to click on sign in button. Once you click on the sign in button, you will have the Google screen which will ask your email ID or password. Okay, so I have a certain account, so you might see certain Gmail account over here. So I will make with my account, which is Fly Business Online. So you have to enter your email ID and you have to enter your password. Click on next. So when you click on next, the channel on YouTube is not, it's not made. So what you need to do to make a channel on YouTube, you have to again click on this particular icon, which yes, correct. This icon. On after clicking on it, you have to click on YouTube Studio. So here we will be making your YouTube channel. So once you click on it, I am making a live channel. I have not made my channel for my business also, so I am making with you. So you have to give your first name, last name. You can give whatever channel you have. If you have a fitness channel, then you can give your fitness channel name. If you have a cooking related channel, then you can give that we have Kavita's Kitchen or something. So whatever name you have to give your first name and the last name. So I have given Fly Business Online. So there is no logo yet, so it is not showing any logo. So we will click on Create Channel. If you wanted to read about YouTube terms and services, so you can read it from here. It's a good practice to go through the terms and services. You will understand many things from these terms of services. So you will avoid many mistakes if you read it. Okay, so now my channel is ready. Okay, so it's a good practice again to go each and every thing which comes on your screen initially. So so you can just click outside. So this is the setting part. Next, what it is saying. Okay, so now we will go in this setting afterwards. So first we have this logo to change. So currently it is showing an F since it has taken the initial of my YouTube channel name. To change the logo, first we should have a logo. Okay, so to make a logo there are two things. Either you can make a logo from a very famous tool which I loved it. It's Canva. So either you can go on this particular website canva.com and make a logo, or either you can make it from here. So there are two, Canva and Wix Logo Maker. I'll show you on both the website how you can make it. So on Canva you have to just type logo. Okay, so now if you have any certain like gaming logo, food and drink logo, brand logo, there are other restaurant logo. So let's say we are making food and drink logo. So you will have all kind of options over here. So you can choose any of the options and you can edit it as per your choice. So if you are making, let's say I'll choose one and I'll show you how you can edit it. So I'll choose any of it, I like. Okay, so let's say it's a simple one. Canva is a very famous tool for each and every need of yours. You can make Facebook ad, Instagram ads, channel arts, whatever you wanted to make, you can make over here. See, you can make gaming logos. If I can show you, I'll add this. See how beautiful it looks. So you just need to have a name over here, and you can edit the name. So let's say recently I have make my sister's YouTube channel. So her channel is Sahifaz Dastarkhan. Okay, so it is as simple as that. So you are done. You can download the logo from here. There are different formats. I suggest you download for PNG, and if you wanted to download any of the file or all the file, you can select all the file, and if you wanted to download any single file, you can select the file and click on done and play and download. Okay, this is how you can download the logos. In the Wix logo maker, what you have to do is, Wix logo maker is also simple. Either you can hire a professional designer or you can create your own logo. It's give you some artificial intelligence suggestions based on your input. So what kind of logo you are looking for, it will give you. You have to make an account again. So I'll try and use my account. So I have already logged in with Fly Business Online, so I'll log in with Fly Business Online again. So on Canva we have different options like fashion logo, brand logo, computer logo, food and drink logo, education logo, sports logo. I have made my what you call it as a Fly Business Online logo with this sports logo. So it is not necessary you make a food logo with under these category also. You can choose any of the category. If you like any logo, you can edit it as per your need. Okay, so here we go. Wix logo maker is loading. Okay, so enter the name. So let's say I'm making for Fly Business, or let's say I'm making for a food. Sahifaz Dastarkhan. Okay, tagline is optional. So let's go. So what are you looking for? Let's say I'm looking for food. Okay, food kitchen. Next. And what kind of logo you are looking for? You are looking for dynamic, you're looking for fun, you're for timeless, creative. I'm looking for creative, I'm looking for something fresh. Okay, I'll click on to. So there are I don't like either of them, so you need to choose which one you like. So you like this one or you like this one. It's just a your okay, you like, let's say I'll choose this one. I'll choose this one. I don't like either of them. Okay, so where you want, it will ask you where you wanted to use this logo. So let's say I wanted to use it on social media and my website. You can select on business card also, merchandise, presentation, wherever you like. So it will give you all the options. Okay, so it will find the best suitable logos for your channel or your website or your visiting card. So these are the some options which Wix artificial intelligence has suggested. So whatever you like, you can select it and you can edit it. So like if you like this one, so you can customize this particular logo as per your need, and you can start. Yes, see how beautiful Wix artificial intelligence is. So you can select any of the logo. So we are ready with the logo. So I have already made my logo, and I'll upload my logo over here. So it is simple. You just need to go here. It will ask you that you have to go to your Google account to make change to your logo. Click edit. I'll close this window as of now because okay. Okay, so here we go. So to make any change with the YouTube, you have to go to your Google account. So I'll add a profile picture. So I already have my logo ready. So I'll drag and drop here. Okay, so my logo is ready. I'll select the size I would like to showcase, and I'll click on set as profile photo. Once it is done, my logo is ready and it will be visible on this particular channel. It might take some time to reflect, but it will reflect. Okay, so it will take some time to reflect. Now, before going to each of this section, what it will actually show you, we will go and do some settings. So these settings are very important. For settings also, we would be needing one thing, which is what I have told you as channel art in a prerequisite. So either you can go from here, Canva. You can create YouTube channel art. So once you type YouTube, you will have all the option. What you can do, you can create YouTube display, thumbnail, channel art. So click on YouTube channel art and you have multiple options. So based on your category, you can choose from this particular section. And other one is Snappa. Now Snappa is also is same as Canva. It is more premium. You have to pay after certain limits, but it has, or it is what you can say. It also has all the option as Canva. So here also, if you click on YouTube channel art, if you do not have an account on Canva or Snappa, you just have to log in with your Google account. Okay, so I have already logged in, hence it is not asking for me to log in. So let's say you wanted to, you are making a food channel. So this looks beautiful. So you can, I'm giving a food example. You can take, if you are a trainer, you are a dietitian, you are a yoga trainer, or you are a teacher, or you are a vlogger, or you wanted to stream games, or you wanted to be a what you call it as a Bollywood news reporter. You can make any of the kind of YouTube channel art on this particular website. Either you can make it on Snappa. Snappa gives you more option, more creativity in terms of YouTube channel art. However, Canva is limited to create what you call it, also on template. So the template is not so good on Canva. So but you can try. You can edit it as per your need. These flexibility is available on Snappa and Canva on both. So it's taking much big time. Let me check. Yeah. And one good quality in Snappa and Canva also is that it will show you what section of your image will be visible on which platform. So this particular section which is highlighted, it will be visible on mobile. This will be a tablet area, which you can see here, it is written tablet area, and this will be your desktop safe area. So this particular thing from here to here will be your desktop area. Okay, now all of your image will be visible on your once you logged into TV. So you can edit this image as per your need. If you wanted to change a background, you can change it from here. If you wanted to add an effect, you can add from here. You wanted to add any text, you can add from here. You wanted to add any graphics, or you wanted, if you have any your image, so you can upload it from here and you can add it here. If you wanted to add any shape, you can here. Okay, there are some issues with the server currently, but this is very good website. You can make it like, if you want, I wanted to change this Sahifaz Dastarkhan. Okay, so it's done. It's as simple as that. It's ready made. You just have to edit your name, and if you wanted to add your timing, or you wanted to add anything, any information, you can add it here. So generally people add all the information in mobile safe areas, because most of the audience access YouTube from mobile, okay, and then from desktop. So try to fit all your information in this particular section which is highlighted here. Okay, so let's say your channel art is ready. So let's go and do some optimization. So for optimization, you have to click on settings. So first it will ask your currency. So let it be US dollar. Then we have channel. In channel we have keywords. So what is this keywords? Keywords are actually help us to find help people to find your channel. So let's say I have a fly business online channel. I'm making a channel which will guide people, which will help people in learning YouTube related stuff, or the Google advertisement related stuff, or Facebook advertisement, or Instagram advertisement, Snapchat advertisement, or TikTok. It's banned now, but TikTok advertisement, or many other tech related things. So first I will type my channel name as is. So try and add as many keyword as you can about your channel. This is about your channel now, not about your video. So you should add the keywords which are fit for your channel. So let's say I'll add the first my channel name so that it will get visible when people search Fly Business Online. So people will search Fly Business Online. I can add Fly, I can add business, I can add Fly Business. Okay, I can add business online, I can add tech, I can add how to stuff, I can add YouTube, or I can add how to make YouTube channel. Okay, I can add Google Ads, Google Ads, and add how to make Facebook ads, and we can do a lot of research when if you wanted to learn about different channel, different keywords, you can simply go to youtube.com, and what are people actually searching for, you can click here and start typing. So if your channel is tech related, so there are technical guruji, techno gamer, techno rahul, techno burner. These are things. Now if you wanted to search about different topics, like I wanted to YouTube versus TikTok is very famous topic, but I'm not into YouTube versus TikTok. So let's say how to make YouTube channel videos, channel in mobile, YouTube intro, YouTube thumbnail, YouTube banner, YouTube logo. These all are will be your what you call it as keywords. So you can add as many keywords as you want. I am not adding much, as you can select your country as India. Okay, select India. Okay, and click on customize channel. Now on customize channel you will be able to edit your channel art. So we already have a logo, so you can see the logo which we have added in the Google. It's already here. So we have to edit a channel art. So click on channel art. Okay, now either you can go and select, or you can simply, I have already made the channel art from Snappa, as I have showcased to you. So you just drag and drop here. So believe you me, or this Canva especially have helped me a lot. I have made a lot of Instagram ads, Facebook ads, Google ads with the help of Canva, and it's free to use. Most of these features are free. We have a paid version also of Canva, but I don't think so it will be required. Most of the features given by Canva is free. Snapper on the other hand provide you with good quality templates, but it will become premium after a certain number of downloads. Okay, so till now we have what we have learned is how to make a YouTube channel, how to make a logo, how to make a channel art, and we are editing our channel art now. It's a little bit of थोड़ा बड़ा है size में. Okay, meanwhile we'll go step by step. Okay, so our channel art is ready. This is how it will look on desktop, TV, as well as on mobile. So I think I have fitted everything. So I'll click on this, and our channel art will be visible. So if you wanted to, okay, there is some issue with the size. Generally, YouTube don't give any issue with the file size that you download from Snap or Canva. This is the first time I'm encountering this, that YouTube is giving you such errors. Because when you download from Canva and Snap, it is the exact size which YouTube asks, 2560111440. So it is this particular image is of the same size. So there is no need to change or do anything with respect to the size. I don't know why it is giving in this error. Let me check once again. If not, then this is how you can download the channel art and upload it on your channel. Though it is showing everything is correct, it's uploading. Let me check whether I can adjust it. Everything looks good. I don't know what is the issue here. Okay, looks good. Select. Maybe there's some issue with the YouTube. I have downloaded multiple times from Snappa and uploaded it on YouTube channel. Maybe some issue. We'll check it later. But this is how you can upload your channel art on your. If you wanted to add a description, which is very important, you can add a good amount of description about your channel. What will your channel do? How is your channel? What kind of videos you will upload and when you will upload. And you can give your contact information as well. So you can do it here. Okay, so this is where you will add your channel art. So you will be able to add your channel art from here. Next is advanced settings. So these are the settings. Now what happens is when you making a kids video, so you have to declare it that you are making a kids video. So it's better to click on I want to review the settings for every video, other than yes, this channel is for me. If your channel is specially for kids, then you can by default select this video, this particular option. And if you are not sure whether you will be making a kids video or you are not making, or some videos of yours will be a kids video or some videos it's for adults, then you can choose this. This is the safe option to choose. Now advanced channel setting, we have already gone. Manage your channel, delete or hide. If you wanted to anytime if you wanted to delete your channel, you can delete it from here. So many times people find it difficult to find this option, so it's in under setting, channel, advanced setting, and delete your channel. Okay, so now comes branding. So if you wanted to have your brand on your video, which is a good I will say practice, so you can upload an image which is 150 by 150. So it will, whenever you upload a video, it will be displayed over here. Okay, feature eligibility. So now, as I was saying, there are certain features, status and feature, which gets enabled over a period of time based on the number of views, number of subscribers. So let's see what, it's a new channel, so what is available currently. Okay, so first before going to the features, we have this verify button. So to verify YouTube channel, all you need to do is click on channels, come to feature eligibility, click on status and feature, and once you click on it, you will reach here. Click on verify. After clicking on verify, you have to select your country, which is by default India selected. You can either select call me, or you can either select call me or you can select text me. Okay, so after selecting these particular option, I generally select text me, and you can put your mobile number over here. So you can put with your what you call it as a 91 country code and plus your mobile number and submit. Once you submit it, you will get a video, either a call if you have selected a call option, or text option. If you selected a text option, you will what you call it as, you will get a code on your phone via SMS. So you put the code on the field and click on verify. So once your channel is verified, certain fields of yours will be enabled here. So this is how you can verify your particular YouTube channel. Now what are these three these options? So there are YouTube allow 3 copyright strike. However, it is not a good practice to gain a copyright strike. So when does copyright strike comes? When you use other YouTubers content in your video without their permission, at that time they can strike your channel. So if you get 3 strike, then your channel will be banned. And same as community guidelines strike. So if you got a 3 community guidelines strike, then also your channel will be banned. So avoid using other people content. Make your own content, make your original content. Okay. So next is you are eligible to uploading a video. Now initially you will not be having what you call it as feature to upload a video more than 15 minutes. So you have to keep your video less than 15 minutes. Monetization, you are eligible. For monetization you are eligible, but you will not be able to enable it because there are certain criteria to enable it. Next is your live streaming also you are not eligible as of now. So you are eligible, but you have to enable it. But once you click on enable, it will ask you certain number of subscribers. So currently you will not be able to enable embedded live stream. There are certain features which you will not be able to do it as of now. Custom thumbnail. Now this particular feature will be enabled once you verify your channel. So once you click on verify and your channel will be verified, this particular feature will be this external annotation and custom thumbnail will be enabled. Custom URL, you will be getting a custom URL once you complete your 100 subscriber and what you call it as 30 days in YouTube. So then you will be able to provide custom URL. What is custom URL is youtube.com/your channel name. So that is your custom URL. Content ID appeal, you will not be able to do it as of now because you are new, and channel membership you will not be able to do it as of now. So you will be able to provide your membership on your channel after you have 30k subscribers. So first aim is to enable this custom thumbnail, which you can do it by clicking on verify and by verifying your channel. Okay, so verify your channel by clicking on this and do the steps as I have explained you. Next, as I think we have done most of the work, click on save. Okay, see now our channel logo is visible. Now upload default. If you are uploading a similar kind of video, then you might have constant title. If not, then you can change the title as per your need. Then you have a permission. If you wanted to add anyone other than you, then you can always add from here. So click on invite and you can invite other people to join your channel. If there are more than one people who are owning the channel, if there are more than one people who are running this particular channel, then you can invite the other person from clicking on invite button. Community, if you wanted to have, you will be have a community tab where you can post your updates and everything. So if you wanted to moderate anyone, or you wanted to add moderator, or for what you call it as comments and everything, you can do it from here. There is an agreement you wanted to learn about YouTube terms and services, you can click on this and YouTube terms and services will be available. Now let's go on dashboard. We are on dashboard itself. So on this section, your latest videos will be displayed and its analytics will be displayed. On this particular section, your current subscribers will be displayed and your last 28 days summary will be displayed. That is the number of views that you have gained in last 28 days and your watch time. And there are certain other things later inside. It's a YouTube what you call it as academy, where you can learn something, and they will always share a news with you here on here. What else we have here? There are also news section on here. Be a part of life, and like we have on 25th of July, they are doing some documentary. So you can learn about that particular documentary, its rules and regulation from here. Next section is video. So in this particular section, you will be viewing all your videos that you have uploaded till date. Here is the list of your playlist. So I'll show you how to make a playlist. Next is an analytics. Here you will get your channel analytics, the complete analytics, the number of views that you have, the number of watch time that you have, the number of subscriber that you have. You can change it as per your need. If you wanted to look at last 7 days subscriber, last 90 days, last 365 days, lifetime, 2020, 2019, you have many options. Okay, so I have so generally where we are, let me check. So we have learned about how to make a YouTube account, how to optimize it, and verify the same, how to find trending topics. Okay, this is very important, guys. How to find trending topics. So let's say if you are into tech, or if you are into health and fitness, if you are into other things, so it is very important to keep yourself updated. So if you are, let's say if you are into health and fitness, so how you will find the trending topics, or how you will find the topics which you can relate to your audience. So you should go any of the top news websites like Times of India or Hindustan Times, and visit the particular section on which you are making the video, on which your channel is about. So let's say if you are on health and fitness, go on health and fitness and find out the articles which are there, which are trending, which are people are reading it, and what kind of articles are there. And if you are a tech channel, go to tech section and you can find out tech related stuff. The new stuff, like most of the time people do phone reviews, and there are latest phones coming in, so people would love to hear about it from you. Secondly, you can follow the highest, or you can the popular YouTuber on YouTube, and see what kind of videos they are promoting. So that will also help you to find the trending topic. I will not say to copy copy paste their work, how whatever they have said, or whatever they have tried to convey to their audience, but you can take inspiration, and you can try and add your value to the video which you will make, and then serve it to the audience, so that audience will look at as a different video rather than copy paste works. Do not copy paste, it will not work. Next, like you might be having a question like, what about cooking channel, what about beauty channel? So guys, for cooking channel, what you can do is, you have to make a seasonal video. So let's say currently we are in a rainy season, so you have to make videos related to food which are mostly liked in in monsoon. So let's say I have my sister has recently started a YouTube channel. So her channel is Saifaz Dastarkhan. So I'll just show you here if I can. Okay, so she has recently started her YouTube channel, and then I always consult her that she should make videos on the current season. That is how the people will start learning it and loving it. So currently she is gaining on. She has only 3 videos as of now on her channel, but on every what you call it, as on every video she is gaining 12 to 15 subscriber without spending even a single money. So how she is doing it? She is making a video. All this video you can go and check. All these videos are made up from mobile. No videos are DSLR videos. So if you wanted to check a quality, how you can make a good videos from mobile, you can check Saifaz Dastarkhan channel, and you can see how good quality videos you can make from mobile as well. So from what I was saying, from each and every video she is making a good amount of subscriber without paying even a single penny, and this is how your channel grows organically. So yeah, I was talking about the trending topics. So you can for food and beauty, you can give tips, or you can make food related to that particular season. And what else? We have vlogging. We have for vloggers, if you are interested in vlogging, then probably what you can do is, you let's it's a rainy season, people love to track and love to go places for sightseeing. So you can if you are into travel vlogging, so you can go to places and suggest people this is where you can go. But currently it's a lockdown, so if you cannot go to places, but you have already visited that places and you have a fair amount of idea how to get there, so you can suggest people, but you can share your experience. This is how it is. If you have pictures, you can show pictures in a video, and you can tell people how good the place is. So this is how you can find the trending topics. Next is how to make a video. So to make a good video, all you need to do is to download this application called Open Camera. So I'll show it to you. So you need to download this particular application. It's an Android application. You need to download this application and shoot the video from this particular application. It will give you a good quality application. A good quality video. Now to edit this particular video, you can download in bits and pieces, and you can merge all of it and try add your logo or whatever other information you wanted to add on this particular video using these two particular software. So if you are editing a video from a mobile, then you should download KineMaster. It's a very good application. It's a paid application on Android. Otherwise, you can get it free also if you search on Google. Same way, Filmora 9 is also a paid application, but you can also get it free if you search it on Google, free version. So both the application are very famous for YouTube editing and other kinds of video editing stuff. So KineMaster is for mobile, and Filmora 9 is for what you call it as uh, for an desktop or laptop. So I'll show you how you can quickly edit your video using Filmora 9. So it will take some time to open. Meanwhile, we will look at the other topic. So what I have suggested is to download an open camera, shoot the video, and edit the video using KineMaster or Filmora 9. Okay, so what next is how to upload a video on YouTube and optimize. So once you edit the video using these two software as per your need, as per your viewer need, as per the information, additional information you would like to um, put on the YouTube, like your Instagram handle, your email ID, if you wanted to, your video topic, you wanted to tell people to subscribe to your channel, all you can do it from these particular softwares. Okay, so now comes how actually you can download uh, not download, how you can actually upload the video to your channel. So to upload the video, either you can click on this particular icon from the home page, or you can go to your YouTube studio. Okay, once you go to your YouTube studio, you have to click on create. On create, you have to go and click on upload videos. Okay, here you will upload your video that you will edit. So now I think, yeah, so before showing it how you can actually upload the video, I'll show you how to edit the video in Filmora 9. So these are the video I have my sister have edited for her channel. So I'll show you. You need to go to new project. Okay, so this is the screen where you edit the video. This particular area is the area which showcase how your video is your video will look. This particular area contains the files, and this particular area is your editing area. So all you need to do is click on import files, and you have to go to your not vlogs. Let's cancel this, and I'll directly go to my channel. So let's say I wanted to edit this, I want to put a logo on it, and so I'll simply go drag and drop. Okay, so this is my video, this is my logo. All I wanted to do is click on plus icon. Once you click on plus icon, it will ask match to media or keep the project second. I'll do match to media. So this is my video. Okay, so I'll reduce the voice so that it won't come in the webinar. So once you play it, it will show how the video will look, how you can edit it, This is the video I have edited using open camera. I have shooted using open camera and edited using Filmora 9. So this is how you can put the video over here. This particular thing, this one, this thing what you are currently looking at, it's an audio track file. So if you wanted to insert any audio, you generally put it in the last section. So here is our video. You can shift it down. There are two sections. You can add more section as per your requirement. So if you wanted to add a logo on it, you can simply drag and drop, and you can customize this as per your need. So you wanted to put it here, right hand side, left hand side, wherever you wanted to put. So I'll put it here. Okay. Now comes, and you can stretch it up to the video length. Now if you wanted to add any audio, there is an audio section. There are some predefined audio. You can add any of the audio. So once you click on add, it will get added here. So it's a currently we are seeing it as a full length audio. So what you can do is click whenever you wanted to cut out certain piece from the audio. All you need to do is click on this Caesar icon. Once you click it, then there it will be a two part. One is this, one is this. So you can click on delete button, it will get deleted. Now is title. If you wanted to add any title on the video, so there are many options like this one. I'm just showcasing you how you can edit it beautifully. So this is how it will look. Your text here, you can add, put your video name or what the topic name. There are other option also, so you can put as and use these option as per your need. There are transitions. Let's say if you have a break in your video, let's say I put a break, and if you wanted to use this particular transition, so from here and to move from here and here, so it will look something. Okay, you need to have different. I'll cut it from here. Okay, then I'll join it, and then I'll put this. Okay, so now this is how it look. A slight blurry look it has given. So if you put this, it will show you. Okay, so basically if you wanted to check what kind of effect the particular effects will give, so you can either click on double click on the effect itself, or you can put in the video and you will see like this one. So if you wanted to have check this one, you can check like this, double click on particular transition. If you wanted to add any effect, there are various effects available. You can add an effect from here. If you wanted to add any element, so you can add an element from here. Okay, you wanted to split and screen, you can split and screen from here. So most of the time what we use is import section. We if you are ready with your audio file, video file, logo and everything, you can import it or just drag and drop it and start editing on this particular software. It's a very easy to use software. Nothing no much knowledge is required. You just have to drag and drop things and start editing. So once your video is ready, what I'll do, I have a test video ready, so I'll upload this test video. Either I can drag and drop or I can select a file. So I'll simply drag and drop. Okay, so it started uploading my video. Okay, so my video is uploading. So it's showing the progress 9%, 10%. Meanwhile, what I'll do, okay, now how you will choose a title to optimize your video for more viewers. So for that, all you need to do is, let's say I'm taking an current example. I'm not taking a tech example so that you won't feel that since I'm teaching about, or I'm taking a webinar on YouTube, I'm taking the same example. I'll take a different example of let's say cooking. So generally it's a lockdown. So in lockdown, people are not, getting cakes since people are celebrating various things like birthdays, anniversaries, and weddings. But they are either scared to order cake from shop, or they are not, the cakes are not accessible to them. So what is the better topic to post videos on cooking as of now is how to make like cake in lockdown. So all you need to do is search on how to make. Now once they see, if you have searched how to make, the Google is giving you a terms: how to make cake at home, how to make cake, how to make jalebi at home, how to make pizza at home, how to make samosa at home. The most trending is how to make cake at home. So this is the most trending topic as of time. So what we will do, we will copy this particular topic directly from here and paste it here. Okay, so this is our topic. So I have already done my research on this. So it's how to make cake at home. Now if you wanted to add another flavor, most people do not have an oven and they still wanted to make a cake. So you can make a video on how to make a cake without oven. This is first thing. So this particular thing will give you the most trending topic on YouTube. This will show you a video. Without oven will add what you call add additional feature to your title. Now you can click on cake recipe. All these are has to be your search term. So your one search term is this: how to make cake at home. Then without oven is another search term, cake recipe is another search term, easy to make cake is another search term, and at last you have to write your channel name. So in this case I'm writing my sister's channel name, which is Saifaz Dastarkhan. Or if you are making a tech channel, or if you wanted to tell people how to make a website, I have another example. You can choose how to make a website for free. So this is what people search for free. uh, Most of the time when you talk about something and if you add for free, people would love to watch it. Okay, so how to make and it's not that you have to fake it, that it's not if something is not free and still if you are saying it's free, then your channel will not grow and people will stop trusting you. So if it's actually free, then you should write it's free. Then you will write what kind of website you are teaching people, HTML or WordPress, and what is the language and your channel name. So let's say I'm taking this particular example. Okay, so it looks good. So you have 100 words, so you can add 100 words title. Then you have description. Make sure whatever keywords you're using in your title, it should comes in your description and as well as in your tags. Okay, so in description write about your cake, and first add your. Now this is the format which I use for my videos as well as my sister videos. So what is the format? First, the above video consists of this particular whole section copied. Then you have to write about the cake, what kind of cake you are offering, without oven, pineapple cake, vanilla cake, or what kind of cake you are offering, what is the properties of the cake, you can write it down. Then you have to write the ingredients. Then you have to write how people can contact you or connect with you on Instagram or email or whatever information you would like to give it to the people. Then if you are using any third party images, then you have to give disclaimer that you don't own the rights to that particular images or videos. Then comes your what you call it as regards or something. You can thank people for watching it. And also there is one more thing I have forgot to mention is hashtag. So you need to put a hashtag so that your video should come while people search for that particular hashtag. So lockdown cake, then cake recipe, then how to make, sorry, how to make cake at home, and various keywords you can add here. Now this is one thing. Another thing is how you can custom, you can add custom thumbnail once you are done with the verification. So I'm currently not seeing it because I have not verified this channel currently, as my number is already used in another channel, so I don't want to verify it as of now. But you can verify it. Once you verify it, you will be able to put a custom thumbnail. Otherwise YouTube will give you three options. From these three options you can choose your customized thumbnail. Once our video is ready, then you will see the thumbnail. Next is playlist. This plays a very important role when you are making a video. So let's say say you are making a cooking video, then you are making three sections. One is dessert, one is main course, and one is juices. Okay, so you have to try and put the relevant videos in the relevant playlist. So currently there is no playlist, so create on playlist. Let's say I'm making juices or dessert. Okay, so it's a public, anyone can view it and create. So once you create, let's say I'll put the cake in this particular playlist. So what will happen when people will when you share the playlist with people, it will consist all your videos. So people might have there is a chance that people watch each and every video of yours related to desert. Okay, click on done. Now it will ask you whether it is made for kids, whether it is not made for kids. So you have to choose no, made for no, it's not made for kids. If it is made for kids, then you can obviously choose it's yes, it's made for kids. Now click on more options. Now if you are promoting any product, let's say for example, if your video contain third party ads, if you have any sponsor ads from external advertiser, then you can click on yes, my video contain paid promotions, else you can leave it blank. Third is ad tag. So all the relevant tag which is related to your video, you have to put it here, like cake recipe. Now how to find these keywords is, again, you can find it from here. How to make cake at home is one, how to make cake at home without egg is one, how to make cake cream at home, how to make cake in oven, how to make cake without oven. All your keywords you can, like cake recipe. So go on search on YouTube itself. YouTube will give you uh, n number of keywords which you can put on your video. Apart from it, what you should do for your channel to grow is to add this particular extension, which is TubeBuddy. It's a Chrome extension. So once you click on TubeBuddy and register under it, what it will give, it will start giving you suggestions and what kind of YouTube videos you should, video tags you should use, and it will also show you others people tags what others are using. So let's say if you are searching other people, let's say if you are into fitness, and if you wanted to search some trainer and see what kind of videos he is posting and what kind of tag he is using, so you can view it using this particular extension, which is TubeBuddy. So it's a very good extension. You should download it. Once you click on any of the video, on your right hand side, it will give you all the information regarding tags, regarding the social media promotion that the person is doing, and other stuff. Okay, so you can add as many tags you want searching from YouTube. So you search a keyword and YouTube will start giving you all kinds of keywords. So cake recipe is the most searched, cake recipe chocolate is the second search, cake recipe without oven is the third in search. So you can put all these keywords so that your videos start coming in while people search for this particular. Okay, search for your video. And it is also very important to put your channel name in the tags and description. As I said, your title, description, and your what you call it as tags should have the common keywords. Okay, so you can put as keywords up to 500 character limits. Once you are done with it, if you are making a video in English, then you can select the language of the video. If you are making in Hindi, you can select it. If you do not want to select it, it's okay. It's not mandatory. uh, Licenses will be your standard YouTube license only. So if you select Creative Commons attributes, then you are giving permission to other YouTubers to use your content. I'll suggest go for standard YouTube license. Allow embedding. Okay, you need to select your category. So if you are making a video on auto and vehicles, or your music, or you're making a video on pets and animals, you're making a video on sports, travels, gaming, comedy, entertainment. So what kind of videos you are making? Most of the time, most famous category in when it comes to YouTube, people make videos on music, then people make videos on entertainment, comedy, and how to is the on is one of the famous category. And what else is the famous category? So these four are the top four categories of YouTube on which the people make videos. Now what else is there? Okay, so I think it's taking a bit time to upload the video. Let me check the internet connection. Internet connection looks fine, so yeah, it's speeded up. Okay, so once your video is uploaded, you will be having the option to choose your thumbnail. As I said, you need to verify your channel to in order to get the custom thumbnail option. Okay, after upload, it will process the video. Once it is processed, then it will show you the options. So once you are ready, we will go to the next step, which is video element and then visibility. Okay, so our video is ready. So let's say I wanted to choose this particular option as my thumbnail. So this particular section will be visible to user while my video comes under search. Let's go to next. These two options are when add card is an option, is like an I option when video is running. Let's say currently, since we have only one video, there is no other video to add on the I option. It might not work that way. So basically, yeah, it's coming, but we do not have video to add on that particular section. So if you have 2-3 videos in, and if you have a 2-3 playlist to add, so you can simply click on card option and end screen option. End screen is something which comes at the end of your video, so you can showcase more of your videos to user, that after this video you can watch my this video. So if you wanted to add an eye icon like here, so come on that particular timestamp, click on add card. Now what you wanted to add, you wanted to promote channel, you want to promote link, you wanted to promote a video link. So let's say video. So I am currently having one playlist and I only have one uploaded video, so which is the current one, hence it is not showing that particular video. So you can select that video, or you can select the particular playlist and select. So once you select it, the iCard option will come here, and whenever a person browse through your video, it will showcase your video here. Click on return to YouTube Studio. Okay, so we will not add any of these since we do not have any other videos to add. Click on visibility. If you wanted to publish it right now, click on public. Else if you wanted to publish it later, click on private. And if you wanted to and if you wanted to publish it later, then you can click on public, and you can click on schedule, and you can schedule your video. Let's say you wanted to publish it tomorrow or day after tomorrow, and whenever you wanted to publish it, you can select it from here. And if you do not want to schedule it, and just save and publish and click on publish. Your video will be published once you click on publish. So what you wanted to once your video is published, I will not publish it. So once your video is published, it will be showcased here, like here. Okay, now you can, what you can do is either there are 2-3 ways to promote it. One is organic, one is inorganic. Okay, so what is the inorganic way? Let me first, we will see the organic way, how to promote the videos free. So now when we say that it's an organic way, to promote in organic way, let's say you take the link of YouTube and start promoting in your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp, Pinterest, and every social media where you are available, even on Rizzle or Chingari, which is a competitor of what you call it as TikTok, or what Instagram, whatever platform you are available, promote it. Okay. Second is make an account on Blogger. Now these two, combination of these two, Blogger and Pinterest, it's a very good combination. So once you make an account on Blogger, try and post a blog about your video, and try and embed your video in your blog. So in that way, whenever people read your blog, it will go to your YouTube video and view it. Now what you call Pinterest, why I'm saying Pinterest is a good source of getting a views, is because Pinterest gives you an option to add a link to your video or a website when you post a picture on Pinterest. So Pinterest will directly, once someone clicks on your picture, it will directly take the person to the YouTube video. And Pinterest holds a very good authority. When someone is coming from Pinterest to YouTube trust that particular source. Third is collaborate with other channel. This is one of the best strategy to you can grow your channel. If you know someone, if you know someone who has the YouTube channel already, so you should collaborate with that particular person and try and make videos together and upload it. Run a contest like giveaway. That's also a very good strategy. So when you start people and a contest like giveaway, people turn your viewers turn into subscribers basically. So for this strategy, or let's say if you are something into cooking, so you can offer some dish or some what you call it as set of what we call it as dish set, or anything you can offer. If you are into beauty, you can offer a face cream, face wash, or anything you can give away to an audience which they like. And if you are into let's say garments, so you can offer a t-shirts, or if you are into tech, you can offer a tripod, and there are many other things which you can offer. Be active on community tab. There will be a community tab after a certain number of subscribers, then you can post your update on that particular community tab. And it is very important to make a playlist. So as I said, you can make, if you are cooking channel, then you can make a 3 playlists: juices, dessert, main course, and whatever you like. And whenever you are making any video, just add those playlists under an add icon, element icon. Okay. Now the next is inorganic way. Inorganic way is a paid way. It is the fastest way to grow your channel in terms of subscribers and viewers by using Google Ads. With Google Ads, you will be able to grow your channel exponentially. There is no limit on the number of amount you can spend on Google Ads. So this is the fastest way you can grow your subscribers and your view time, and monetize your channel as quickly as possible. So your subscriber grows, so as your watch time, and hence you will be able to how to you might be having this question, how to make a Google Ads for YouTube. I will not be able to explain it currently, how to make a Google Ads for YouTube in this particular webinar. There will be a separate webinar for making a Google Ad, because it's a very vast topic in itself. Now next, okay, so I have explained most of the thing. What is remaining is promotion. Okay, yeah. Most two things are remaining. One is how to monetize your channel, and second is what mistakes you should not make. To see what monetization means, you have an option here on YouTube. Click on monetization. Once you click on monetization, there are there is a criteria. You should have 100 subscriber, not 100,000 subscriber, and 4,000 public watch hours. So these, if you complete these particular criteria, then you will have a button of apply for monetization. So first you need to complete 1,000 subscriber, then you have to complete your 400 public watch hours, then you are eligible, and you will be able to apply for your monetization. It is not necessary that your channel will be monetized as soon as you apply for it. There may be certain queries, certain questions from YouTube, or if all goes well, then they will enable the monetization. Next, what happens is, now comes to we will come to what are the mistakes that someone makes during YouTube channel. So what people do, people start posting other YouTuber videos. So you should not do it, because you might get a required number of watch time and subscriber, but you will not be able to monetize your channel, because YouTube will ask that it's not your original content. Hence, they will not allow you to monetize. So always first post original content. Second thing is, post a video in which your face and you are visible. Don't post a content which you are only having a voiceover, because at certain point of time YouTube ask you to come and face the camera. It has happened that a person having 3.1 million subscribers, his channel got banned by YouTube since he has not made any face video. So it is very important to make a face video. Face video meaning you are facing the camera and you are speaking to your audience directly. So do not do not make any video. You can make a video without face, like cooking video. Most of the time they are not interactive with the audience. But yeah, some of if you analyze the cooking channel, some videos are the videos in which the host actually face the camera and they are talking to the audience. So it is very important. Third thing is, do not watch your own video. Do not make this mistake. If you make this mistake, you will regret it later, because I have done it and my monetization got banned because of this mistake. Do not click on your link. Do not watch your video. Do not, if your channel is monetized, do not watch your ad. So what then you will say, how will I copy my link and promote the videos if I don't click on the link or video? Simply click on these three dots and click on get shareable link. That's it. Don't click on this particular YouTube icon to view on YouTube, or don't click on edit to edit the video, but don't click here. Once you click it here, it will open in the new window, and then the YouTube will count it as that you have viewed your own video. So don't view your own video. It's a big mistake every new YouTuber done, because once you post a video, you feel like how my video will look on the YouTube, and you will feel excited about it. But do not make this mistake. Don't click on your link. Don't click on your ads, or do not ask your family members to click on ads or your YouTube videos purposely to increase views. Okay, so these are some of the mistakes that new YouTuber makes. Okay, so we have gone. So these are some tools. Okay, TubeBuddy I have already explained to you. Download thumbnail. If you wanted to download any thumbnail, let's say you like any video thumbnail, you want to download and use it on your own video, this is the website. Or you can search on Google, download YouTube thumbnail. There are many websites you can use for downloading thumbnail. Next, if you wanted to download any YouTube video, or you wanted to use any background music or any voice, then you can download the YouTube video from this particular website, Save from Net. It will give you an option to download the videos in MP4 and other file extension, so you can download the videos from here. What next is, okay, so that's all from my side. If you wanted to connect with me, I have an email address, Fly Business Online. You can ask any of your queries. I will try to revert each and every one of you. You can follow me on Instagram. You can WhatsApp. There's a WhatsApp group. I have sent all these three information in your registration mail as well, so you can go and check. You can join this WhatsApp group, and if you have any query, you can post it there. I will try to reply about your queries, and I will try to help you in building your YouTube channel. Okay, so thank you for listening, and thank you for paying attention and following me till this last step. Thank you so much.